Blend together eggs, oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You may use butter. Sugar. I'm using unbleached organic cane sugar. Freshly squeezed orange juice. Homemade mango puree. Please check the description for the recipe. Transfer it into a mixing bowl. Into that add vanilla extract and self-rising flour. If you are looking for how to make self-rising flour, please check the description. And fold them slowly. Spread some butter or spray on the baking loaf or pan and pour the batter in. Bake in a 350° Fahrenheit preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clear. Perfect tea time snack with a hot cup of coffee or tea.